to do everything, you know. But let's have a look at it now. No, look. Victoria, chillax please. We're going to have a look at it now. Okay, question 1. Let's have a look. Victoria! Right. The line L passes through the points 3, 7 and 2, 5. Find the equation for L. Okay? So, how do I do this? Well, first I get the M, which will be 5 minus 7 over 2 minus 3, which is minus 2 over minus 1, which is 2. Y equals 2x plus c. I put in my point 3, 7. 3, 7 goes in. 7 equals 6 plus c. C equals 1. Y equals 2x plus 1.
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
I hope so, because that was the first question. What went wrong, Jerry? What? Did you get this right, Jerry?
Yeah.
Good.
But I got the second one.
Okay, well let's do the second one now. Can I scroll down?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2. Y equals 4x plus 1, and the line L is perpendicular to it, meaning it has a slope of minus 1 over 4.
Yeah.
Y equals minus 1 over 4x plus c. To find the c I use a point. The point I have is 4, 1. 4, 1 goes in. 1 equals minus 1 plus c. C equals 2.
Yep.
Y equals minus a quarter x plus 2. 4y equals minus x plus 8. X plus 4y minus 8 equals 0. So the answer is 1, 4 minus 8.
Teacher,
Yes.
why not 0.25, 1 and minus 2? It's the same.
Oh, dude, seriously? Really?
Yeah, 1 over 4, 1 and minus
Technically it's the same, but
Because we remain the at.
So you divided everything by, what, 4?
I didn't.
What do you mean you didn't? Alright, let me rephrase it. You did not multiply everything by 4.
Yeah. I maintain the fact. Which is correct. See, y equals to negative 1 over 4x plus 2.
See, now because of you, I'm going to have to rewrite the question saying, don't be stupid. Okay, I accept your point. If this was an exam question, you would still get full marks because I never actually said the coefficients must be integers. Did anybody else do that? Did you do that as well, the decimal? Okay. Hang on, I'm fixing it.
And Bruce.
The same, you too? Okay, you can give yourself an extra 5 marks. Yeah. Oh, so you're in the same boat? Yeah, you get an extra 5 then. Okay. Yeah, hang on. The coefficients must be integers. There now. Okay, can I scroll down?
No, I have a question.
Yes.
I wrote this one minus 8 and x is 1.
You wrote what? This? Brackets?
Yeah, plus this one minus 8.
Why did you use brackets?
No, it has plus before. If you write plus and minus.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
But why?
It is not okay.
So why?
Okay, fine.
I mean, I got minus 8.
Okay. Give yourself an extra 5 marks. Okay. Jerry, Lee, and Sammy
And Bruce.
Oh, and Bruce. All of you get +5. Has anybody leveled up to the next grade?
Yeah.
What about the full mark?
Huh?
If you get 70% over.
100.
No. If you add the full mark.
Yeah.
What's the total?
I can't remember. Might be 100, but the percentage is out of 100%. If I made it a 100 mark exam, you can. Yeah. I think so, but I don't remember. I mean, it should be, because it's 20 questions. I probably made each question 5 marks. Okay, number 3 now. What's number 3? Yes, okay, number 3. 2x plus 3y equals 7. X plus y equals 3. Where do they meet? Alright, 2, 6, minus 1, and then x must be 2. 2, 1. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, 4. The factors of 8x squared plus 76x plus 36 are, and I even helped you out by giving you some of the factor. I said it's x plus something and something x plus something. So this has to be 8. Probably 6 and 6, is it? 9 and 4, is it?
No.
Yeah, 9 and 4.
Sure.
Yeah.
But my answer is 2 and 1 because I divided by same but cannot.
No, that's not allowed. Because there's no equal sign in this question. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, you know, if I said 2a is a thing, there's 2a. You can't just change that into a. If you're dividing by 2, it has to be on the other side of something, you know. So in these factorizing ones, what you can do, what you're allowed to do is you're allowed to take the 2 outside. But if you took the 2 outside, there's a 2 here. And I never said in the answer there was a 2 on the outside. Okay. I think, didn't I have a conversation with someone about that? Was it you, Lee, or was it a business student? About this thing I just talked about. It was you, was it? Yeah, okay. Right, next. 5. 5 was the one that was wrong. What it should have been was this. Which I'll just do now anyways. That's what it should have been. So I multiply by 3 minus 2 root 2 over minus 1. So I'll get minus 3 plus 2 root 2. 6. Complete the square. X squared minus 2x squared plus 6. 2x squared plus 8x plus 10 gives me, right, I'll take the 2 out first, and I have x squared plus 4x plus 5. Inside here I have x plus 2 squared plus 1. So I'm left with 2x plus 1 squared plus 2. So 2, 1, 2. Here. Oh, sorry, what the heck happened here? Where does this quadratic cross the x-axis? So in other words, we need to solve this. When we solve this, we get x minus 1 times x minus 1 equals 0, so x equals 1. This quadratic has 2 roots. One of them which is negative and the other one which is what? So solving here. x equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We only want the positive root here, minus 1 plus root 5 over 2.
Stephen,
Yes.
I thought that question was meant to show the negative one. but
Yes, that was you. I remembered somebody did that. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if Connell has taught you this trick for exams. Has Connell taught you this? This RTFQ? He taught you this. Did he teach everyone this? Oh, you've heard it, yeah. This is read. This is this is question. Hey! This is fudge. Yeah. What is this here? This is 0.618. Okay. Dude! I'd like to keep my class PG-13. Huh? Okay.
In PG-13 movies, I think they're allowed one.
They're not. Where'd you hear that?
What is PG?
Well, fine. If that's true, then he's already used it up now for the rest of the year. Right, 9.
Oh.
9 was, how many roots does this have? Kx squared plus 3k minus 5x plus 2k minus 8. Right, what do I need here?
B squared minus.
Yeah, what's that called, Jerry?
That's
Jerry. What's this called, Jerry?
what is it called? 30.
Try again.
That's how you go B squared.
Ah, yeah, it's delta, but it has a special name. This is called something.
Root,
No.
I don't know.
You don't know? Does anyone know? No. Discriminant. Were you? Right. B squared minus 4ac. B squared minus our AC becomes this. K squared plus 2k plus 25. K plus 1 squared plus 24. This is always positive and never 0, so it has 2 roots.
Teacher,
Yes.
question.
Yes.
I read to me English, not exactly wrong.
You wrote what? You wrote in English!
Because I saw it, I saw in English. Therefore I went to English.
Oh, Jerry!
He doesn't know.
Oh, Jerry! Jerry.
I will be good that time, but not this time.
Okay, give yourself plus 5.
Okay.
What's your score now?
75.
Okay, good. Right. 10. Long division. Although, you don't actually have to use long division. You could actually cheat here. Because all I'm looking for, I want the missing numbers. Now you could use long division like I said, but if you think about it, you could work this out in your head quite quickly. Because the 3 numbers at the back must multiply to make minus 2. If that's a minus 1 and that's a plus 1, then this has to be a 2. And the 3 numbers at the front should multiply to make 2. If that's a 1 and a 1, then this has to be a 2. Did anybody do it like that? So you didn't, yeah. Okay, next. Let's see which one's next. 11. Okay. Now, 11. I tell you that 6x squared plus 13x plus 6 is a factor of 6x cubed plus 19x squared plus px plus q. Find p and q. Now there's actually a couple of ways to do this. What's one way to do it?
Divided by x minus 1.
What's x minus 1 coming from?
The 19.
Ah? Where'd you get x minus 1?
Just make it.
Just make it.
Yeah.
I don't think you can just...
Use long division with that other part. I just divide by x minus 1 to make that factor.
But I'm confused why you're saying x minus 1. Like, where the heck is this coming from?
Then the 1 is the easiest one.
But why 1?
I like 1.
Doesn't work like that in maths, I'm sorry.
Use the longer divided smaller.
Okay, Jerry, I like your idea, but you're going to tell me that again.
Use
Yep.
bigger divided smaller.
Oh, no, Jerry, you can do better than that. What's this guy called? What's this called?
3.
Cubic.
Cubic, thank you. Now, just Jerry. Just Jerry. What's this called, Jerry?
Square.
Yeah, but this whole equation has a name. Begins with a Q.
Cubic.
This one's cubic. What's this one? What? Quadratic. Okay, give me your sentence again. So what should I divide?
Use cubic.
Yeah.
Quadratic.
Yeah? Where's the verb? What do I do with these?
Divide.
Thank you. Okay. Jerry is right. You should take the cubic and divide it by the quadratic. That's one way to do it. Because it's a factor, the remainder should be 0. Right, so what's here first? X. 6x cubed plus 13x squared. Subtract? Oh yeah, thank you. Plus 6x. Subtract, I have 6x squared plus p minus 6x plus q. What? What's going on? What's next?
1.
So I have 6x squared plus 13x plus 6. I should get 0. So that means q must be 6 and p minus 6 must be 13, which p means p must be 19.
That's the right way. Yeah. 13 plus 6, 18. And it's also my second message.
This method is a quick way.
You are having trouble with your basic numbers this week.
Yeah.
But if we just like divide by x minus 1 and then quicker.
But you don't know that x minus 1 is a factor. In fact, I don't think it is a factor, is it?
We may not theory.
Yeah.
We'll use that method.
You can use that method too. But you'll have to factorize the quadratic first to get to...
Yes, it takes long time.
I know. I'm doing it the short way because I'm tired. Alright. You want to write this way down? This way works well when it's a cubic and a quadratic. I would use the remainder theorem when it's a cubic and a linear. Okay. No? Continue? Yeah. Okay. Right. 12 now is a long division, is it? Oh no, you could be sneaky with 12 as well. Because in 12, I want the 3 roots. And how many roots do I give you?
Two.
No, I only give you 1 root. I tell you that one of the roots is 1. So that means I just have to divide. (4x squared). 4x cubed minus 4x squared. 12x squared minus 3x minus 9. Plus 12. 12x squared minus 12x.
12x.
Yeah? Is this right? Yeah. And then here, what's wrong?
No.
No? What's wrong, Sean? No, Sean says it's wrong. Yes, Sean? Trust in Sean.
Minus 12x.
Here? Yeah?
12.
Oh! Thank you, Sean. See? Thank you, Sean. Is this okay now? Yeah. Right, let's factor is here. Maybe it's a 4, maybe it's a 2. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Actually, you knew that they both had to be the same because you can see in my answer, I'm only giving you space for one answer.
Only that, can you use the calculator?
Yes, please.
No.
Because of this question, I about cost you 991.
Yeah, you can use it, but you don't need to because I already tell you one of the factors.
But if I put in like 1, 5.
No, I know, you can factorize. You can factorize.
Okay.
But you don't get marks. You can just check your answer.
Okay.
Right. A linear and a quadratic. Y equals minus 7x plus 5. Y equals minus 7x squared minus 7x plus 5. Where do they meet? So I have minus 7x plus 5 equals minus 7x squared minus 7x plus 5. Right, I will get 7x squared because those will cancel. Minus 5?
No big deal.
Huh? Oh, the 5's cancel as well. So I get 7x squared equals 0. So x equals 0, y equals 5. Alright, that was nice. 14. How many solutions does this have? Yeah, let's have a look. Add 18. 12 minus 3x 30. Right? Divide minus 3. Okay, there's minus 10, minus 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers. John, don't look at me. Alright. In Pascal triangles, what's the total of the fifth row? First row, 0 row, row 1, row 2, row 3. Look what's happening here. 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So on the fifth row, you'll get 2,
Yeah.
5. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 is the answer.
4.
What did I say? Starting with row 0.
Yeah. Starting with row 0 is the fourth. It's the fourth. It's 2, 4.
When I say starting at 0, I mean
0,
Zeroed.
1, 2, 4.
no, we count this one as the 0th row. Yeah, I realise, Lee, you haven't seen this in maths and physics yet, but because it comes up in semester 2 language. Sometimes we start counting at 0, so we don't say this is the first, we say this is the 0th, which I know might seem weird. He is good, mostly.
But Steven,
Yes.
I know the question will need to sum of the 0 rows to 5th row.
No, because I said, what is the sum of the entries in the 5th row? Because I said in the 5th row, not up to the 5th row. Because I said in the 5th row. I notice a common problem you're making, Chrissy, if it's helpful for your English, is you're not fully noticing the use of a or da in the question, which is affecting the meaning. So you might just want to make note of that in EAP. KJ, what were you going to ask me?
Isn't it 6 though?
This is the problem which I was saying to Lee. In English, we can start counting from 1, so we can say first, second, and so on. But we can also start counting from 0. We can say 0th, first, and then first is actually 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, it's strange. Yeah.
1 is a definite number.
Yes. Now that doesn't happen often. That's very special. Don't worry.
It has it.
True. Okay. 16 now. I need to expand this. 2x. Oh no, sorry. Something x minus something power 7 equals 128 x7 minus 1344 x6, etc. So if I call this a and this b, then a power 7 is that number.
Yeah.
Which is good because that gives us the a is 2.
Yeah.
And then this number here is a, b, 6, 7c1. So that's 7 times 2 times b6 is this number, which makes b equal to 3.
Is it the A, 6, and B?
No, 2 and 3. Now it couldn't be 6 for a because that's way too big. Because 6 power 7 is huge. It has to be 2. A power 7 is 128, so a is 2.
So why is not minus 3?
Because I already have minus in the answer.
Yeah, but you can, I mean, B6 is, we can switch for B3.
You got... The question was asking you like this, Jerry. Box X minus box 7. So this number here is a 3. Minus 3 if you want. And that's a 2.
I write minus 3.
Oh, Jerry, my heart.
No, I mean, I got the answer is minus 3. Not me. It's not about the math.
Yeah, okay, you got B is minus 3, so you only needed to put 3 in here because I already had the minus for you. Yeah, if you put plus 3 here.
No, I mean the whole thing is
Oh, if you wrote 2x plus 3. Yeah, that's wrong. Because that would make a plus here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Happy? Okay. 17. What is the x cubed coefficient in this? So that would be 7c3 minus 2, 4, which is minus 216.
But using the top part, the triangle, before we learn 73, something like that.
The triangle, that'll take ages. It's row 7.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, I mean, we use like
You got the right answer?
7, 35, 35 like that. So I do 35 times 3 cubic times minus 2 over 4.
Let me give you the simple answer. Do it that way. Did it take me long to do it this way?
No, I mean.
Did it take you long to do it your way? Did it? Did it?
No, I mean.
Did it? Did it? Did it?
Okay.
Did it take you long to do it your way? Oh, wait, Chrissy! Did you get the answer right?
No, I mean.
Ah!
We both got the same answer?
Oh, okay, then you got it right.
No.
Teacher, the answer is 15,000.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
It has to be
Okay.
1.20.
Oh.
Yay.
I made a mistake.
5 marks.
Oh my god.
Plus 5. What should the answer be? 15, 120.
Yeah.
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 Do I believe you?
Yeah.
Oh, then I need to change this. Okay, if you wrote in 15, 120, then plus 5 for you. But it's strange because I did this with the business students and they didn't say anything about it being wrong.
Oh,
Maybe
no.
Good business.
Maybe they want to ask about it, but they don't have any.
No, they're not shy, don't worry.
Teacher.
What? Yeah, maybe I made the exam total 200 marks and then divided by 2. I'd say that's probably what I did actually. So just give yourself plus 5%. Right, let's have a look here. Okay. Well, I'm glad you're smarter than the business students. Right. Fix this again. Just a second. One moment. Thank you. Let me just fix this. Oh, come on. There we go. Save and continue. Right, 18. 18 was a limit. What was it for this one? Xn plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 over xn. Was that it?
Yeah.
Right, and where do I tell you to start? Did I tell you to start? I thought I told you to start at 1.
Yeah,
Yeah. So if you start at 1, you get x1 equals 1, x2 equals 1.5, etc. Okay, let's find the limit. So the way to find the limit here is you change this into this equation. X equals 1 plus 1 over x. Multiplying, you get x squared equals x plus 1. X squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. when you solve this, you get two answers. You only want to take the positive answer because you can see from what I did at the start, all the answers are positive, so the limit will be positive. To 3 decimal places, we get this answer. Is that okay?
Oh, why we look at as equal
This is how you find the limit.
Everything.
They are equal? You mean
Yeah, to find the limit, you make this equal this.
always?
Always. 19. The sum from minus 9 to 9 of n cubed is 0. Because you'll have minus 9 cubed plus minus 8 cubed, etc., all the way up to 8 cubed plus 9 cubed. Minus 9 cubed will cancel 9 cubed, and so on. So that's 0. And 20. A small machine needs oil, but it leaks, so it needs 2% more each year. It costs $51.33 for oil, but the price increases by 3%. Over 10 years, how much will it cost to run the machine? Right, so for year 1, you need 1 barrel of oil, and it costs $51.33, which is 51.33. For year 2, you'll need 1.02 barrels, and this will cost you whatever 51.33 times 1.03 is. So you see what is happening here is I'm multiplying by 1.02 and 1.03. So in other words, in total I'm multiplying by, what's that please, Monica? If I multiply these two? So this is a GP, where this is the OR. So S10 is A, 1 minus OR N over 1 minus OR. And the A is this, and this is the OR. Putting those numbers in, you get 800 as the answer. Oh, it all looks so easy and painful now. Hang on, let me just fix this thing. Need to get out of this. Okay. Yeah, that's saved. What is it then? Really? For reals? No fooling? Well, it doesn't matter because I don't think you got that either.
How did you get 8?
No, I think it should have been 6. For sure? Alright, let me check. Maybe I misread something in the question. Is it exactly 1.051? Oh, okay. If you use the full number, then you get 647.4. Okay, I'll fix that Did anybody actually get that in the exam? Didn't think so.
Did anybody got that?
Nobody.
Nobody.
What?
Oh, I got 6, 7 something.
So no.
Close enough. How much time?
Let me fix them.
The voice is
Okay. Okay. I did this math test with the business students, right? I never did it with you guys. Strange, I remember doing it with you, are you sure? Okay. I just have to trust you, I guess.
其实他的小孩子通常就会开始
Trust people, not computers. Very insightful, Jerry. Very insightful. All right. It's a single class this morning, isn't it? Yeah. We have 1 or 2 classes tomorrow. 1 maths class, 2 physics and 1 maths. And we did the physics exam already.
We can do physics coursework then.
Now, you can do physics coursework next week in the assessment support.
Yeah, tutorial.
Tutorial? What have we done so hard so far?
What do you mean?
Were they hard?
Okay, then I should be listening that you do it.
We'll have a mini tutorial. I didn't think anything I did this week was too hard.
What about last week? And last week?
All we were doing was exam questions.
I know.
All right, what else?
Did you know?
Yes.
I tried to use the printer